Happy Money Making Monday to you. Angie Ange is my name, and when I'm not on the radio in the morning with the Morning Hustle Show, I'm actually actively investing my money. That's like my hobby. I love to research companies, me and my sister, and I come from a family of CPAs. Shout out to my aunt and my dad. And so they've always taught us about investing in the stock market. I've been invested for probably the last 15 plus years. And so I've got some serious experiences, And here's the thing, I'm not a CPA, so I'm not licensed to give you any advice, any of that, but I do believe in being an informed investor, and I do believe in sharing experiences. So feel free to share yours too, If you're looking at a particular stock, let me know why. What got your ears perked up about the stock? So I might want to check it out too. I may want to buy it, But we're all in this together. And so I think that if we share our experiences, whether they're good, bad, or otherwise, it can help the next investor, and it can make you an even better investor when you learn from others. So with that being said, it is the day before the election. This is a big deal right here. Shout out to everybody that's done their early voting. Shout out to everybody that'll be voting on November 3rd. And the question becomes, how's the market going to respond? The market can be a little wacky-jacky when it comes to stuff like this. But the biggest and best piece of advice I've ever been given from my aunt and my dad is that when you look at the stock market over the years, it does something like this, right? And it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Sometimes it goes way down like we saw earlier this year, or any of us that went through that recession in 07, 08, 09. Yeah, it can go way down, and then over time it goes up. But the one thing that I've always seen, if you look at the stock market from the beginning to the end, is that while it does all this, it's always going up, 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 up. So remember, when it comes to your finances, when it comes to investing, when it comes to building wealth, especially in the stock market, temperament is key. Being able to be patient, being able to be consistent, and being able to identify your investment goals are so important. So before you get out here and start buying up Apple or Spotify or Visa or Facebook or Samsung, be sure to check your temperament. Know the type of investor you are, and know that no matter what happens, especially with major elections like this, the market is going to go up, it's going to go down. You might have a particular stock you've been eyeing, but you said, man, this is too expensive. If the market goes down, it might be for sale. Might be a good time to buy. If the market is going up, don't panic and say, oh my gosh, I'm missing my opportunity. There's always opportunities to jump in. There's always opportunities to buy companies. But what I will say is, most importantly, always be an informed investor. And that's what we're all about over here when it comes to Money Making Monday, is sharing experiences and informing other investors on what we're looking at. So feel free to let me know what companies you're looking at, what companies you've invested in. Share your experiences with the stock market, good, bad, or otherwise, because you never know who you can help out. All right, I'm Angie Ange. That's Money Making Monday. Make sure you vote. Your vote matters. Your vote counts. Make it count. Get to the polls if you haven't already. And we'll talk next Monday to talk a little bit about quarterly earnings reports, because anybody who wants to be an informed investor, you better know about a quarterly earnings report. And I'll tell you why. Don't forget, you can also subscribe to my newsletter. It's called Stock Snoops, because me and my sister, we always snooping. We always on the prowl trying to figure out what company we should buy next, or what company we should buy into, and who's looking like a good opportunity, a good enter, a good exit, So, just subscribe, Stock Snoops. And I catch you on Money Making Monday next week. Go vote.